U C O L U M N column C A cash D O O C 2 कॉलम कैश 2 कॉलम क्वेश्चन करेंगे क्वेश्चन नंबर 6 ठीक है आप बता देना जब शुरू करना है इट इज स्टार्टेड कंटिन्यू so here we are having a question number 6 from DK Goyal and it is a double column cash book or 2 column cash book. Now you observe here on the receiving side we have 2 columns. First is of your cash, another one is of your bank. That means previous question we have done in that when we have deposited the cash into the bank, in that we have recorded that cash on the payment side only, but we have not received that cash in our bank. It is clear? But here in this we have a 2 column cash book. So whenever we will deposit cash into the bank, we will record that cash in our cash column also, and in this payment side we will pay that cash from the cash column. That means here we will have a contra entry. 2 entries will be there. If there will be a one transaction recorded into the 2 parts of the cash book, both sides, if it is recorded in the cash book, that is what contra entry. It is what contra entry. Contra means counter करना है. That side also you have to record, and that counter should be on this side also. It is clear? Now the first we will start with this. Here is of 2020. So here we have 2020, and it is the date is of March 1st. It is the beginning of session. It is March 1st. We have cash in hand and cash at bank. So it is what? To balance, BALANCE balance. Brought down cash. How much we have cash? We have 2710, 2710, and the bank we have 27,500. It is what? 27,000. You need 500. Oh, sorry, it is written 500. Oh God, this space is little less. I am going to write it little small. It is clear in screen, beta?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Q this color. Enough. Shifa, you are the calculator of this side. Clear? On cash column only, you have to calculate cash only, and you bank. It is clear? Receiving side. Here, this Anmol cash column, cash calculator, and you bank column, bank calculation. Open your book. You ask this boy. Page number is 11.53. You pause and read. Now received from Subhash. If we are going to receive the amount from Subhash, it should be your, the date is given 3 and it is to Subhash. S-U-B, who is this? H-A-S. Subhash, and it is the amount is what? It is written received from Subhash. It is cash receipt. Until and unless it is written bank or check, we will consider it is a cash receipt. So it is a cash receipt and it is of your 35. So it is your 3,500 we will write here. Now the next amount, sold goods for cash. Obviously sold goods for cash, that is on 4. It is your 2, your sales. Sales account, what we will get? Sales account, here we will get the amount of 10,000. So cash, it is written in cash. It is written here cash. So we will put the amount that is of your 10,000 rupees. It is clear? Any doubt? No. Now next entry we will have here, paid rent by check. It is written by check and paid. So we will go for the payment column. Here we will come. This date is of your March 7, MARCH 7, and it is what? Your by rent. Rent we are going to pay. रेंट पे करते हैं कहां से? बैंक के थ्रू. तो वहां से सब्ट्रैक्शन होना चाहिए. Your subtraction will be from bank. It is what? 800. It is clear? 800. Now paid Sohan by check. So it is 8 and your by S-O-H-A-N Sohan. How much amount is there? 3,000. So it is your payment side. Who is the calculator? He is sleeping. भी बताना है amount. सर चेक कहाँ पे लिखेंगे सर? चेक क्यों लिखेंगे? तो चेक से पेमेंट किया है तो बैंक से जाएगा पैसा. Why we will write check? पैसा कहाँ से कम हो रहा है? बैंक से कम हो रहा है तो बैंक से कम कर दिया. पेमेंट साइड में बैंक में रिकॉर्ड कर दिया, कम हो गया बैंक में से. किसको जा रहा है? सोहन को. क्या जा रहा है? कैश. क्लियर? कैश बुक में से जा रहा है लेकिन बैंक कॉलम से जा रहा है, मतलब बैंक हमारा डाउन हो रहा है। नाउ हियर बॉट गुड्स फॉर कैश, कैश मिल रहा है हमारे को, so here to bought goods for cash। bought goods for cash का मतलब है buy cash, buy purchase, your buy C-H-A-S-E purchase account। कितना परचेज? कैश में से 15,000 दिया आपको, राइट हियर 15,000। देखो 15,000 का नगद माल खरीद लिया, वी आर परचेज द गुड्स फॉर कैश। पेड कैश फॉर स्टेशनरी, डेट नंबर 12, so here buy stationery, S-T-A-T-I-O-N-E-R-Y stationery, how much it is? 200। कैश बुक अनमोल, ध्यान रखो, ड्रू फ्रॉम बैंक फॉर ऑफिस यूज। बेटा बैंक से पैसा निकाला ऑफिस के यूज के लिए, तो बैंक से जब पैसा निकाल रहे हो तो ऑब्वियसली बैंक की तरफ से तो पेमेंट ही हो रहा है, बैंक की तरफ से पेमेंट हो रहा है। तो यहाँ पर डेट डालेंगे, 12 तारीख की बात है ये। One more thing I forgot to draw here. Now I am going to draw. That is of your LF. We will see LF also. So here it should be LF, and in this we will write contra. Here also we will have LF. Space is there. So that is ledger folio. In ledger folio, and then this side also we are having a ledger folio. This is ledger folio account. So contra entry in this payment of cash. Cash जा रहा है, buy cash. It is what? Buy cash account, and amount is going to be, because we are going to draw it from bank, we will subtract it from bank. How much amount is this? This is your 8,000 rupees. It is what? 8,000, and here you write C. This C stands contra. Contra means you have to make one more entry on this side. बैंक से पैसा निकला और नगद हमारे कैश में आ गया. So here we will receive that amount. That date is of 12. Because it is 12 only, and it is your to bank, because बैंक से आ रहा है, बैंक से आ रहा है. How much amount we are going to get here? 8,000 we will get here, क्योंकि 8,000 निकाला है. Here also we will write C, contra. So both side it is contra and it is balanced. वहां से पैसा निकाला तो कम कर दिया, और यहाँ कैश में पैसा आ गया तो हमने बढ़ा लिया. It is increased. It is clear? Now the next entry: receive check from Surinder and send it to the bank. पैसा मिला, कैश we have received, and the day, same day, it is, date is not changed. 15 तारीख को we have received a check, and the same day we are going to send it to the bank. So we will write here to, who is this? Surinder. Your S-U-R-E-N-D-R-A, Surinder, and we will write the amount into the bank column 6,600, क्योंकि उसने जो चेक दिया कहाँ जमा हो गया? बैंक में जमा हो गया हमारे पास. Now we have paid for advertisement. That is your 16 date, and it is what? Your buy ADVERTISEMENT advertisement. How much it is? Cash we will pay it, because it is not written check here, so it will be cash. Now issue check in favor of Nath Brothers. So we have issued a check. It is by Nath Brothers, NATH your CRO THERS. Nath Brothers, how much amount it is? 44,000. Who is the bank in charge? Slipping. 43,000. Now cash sale. So we are going to receive cash on 19. So it is your sales. How much it is? Receiving? 13,000. Very good. So we are going to receive cash here 13,000. Now the next amount paid into bank, again paid into bank, contra will be there, 9890. So it is 19. So it is paid into the bank by cash account, and amount we will write contra 16,000 we will write here. Bank से निकाला, it is what? Paid into the bank. Correction. Cash bank. So paid into the bank. Yes, paid into the bank का मतलब है हमारा पैसा पहले तो निकलेगा, तो कैश निकलेगा. Cash निकलेगा. So here we will write cash is going on the name of bank. Sorry, पैसा बैंक में जाने के लिए निकाला गया, और that amount is of your how much? 16,000. देखो 16,000 हमारे कैश निकाल दिया, because it is written paid into bank. बैंक में जमा किया, तो कैश हमारे पास था वो कम कर दिया. तो जब कैश कम कर दिया तो here cash is going to be less. and that amount comes into in your
Bank.
bank account. So here we will write one more, that is on 19. So to your, that is bank, so it is your cash account. Cash से पैसा कैश के फॉर्म में बैंक में आएगा. So it is what 16,000 and it is also contract. It is clear. 16 your receipt में बैंक कॉलम की कैश के नाम से आएगा. Okay. Now we have here receipt check from Vinod and send it to the bank again 20. So to what? Vinod. V-I-N-O-D. Vinod. Where I have to write this amount? Bank में 2400. So it is 2400. We will write it to the bank. Now bought scooter and paid the same by check. खरीद दिया भाई स्कूटर 22 by मशीन और व्हीकल. बाय व्हीकल कितना है? चेक से पेमेंट किया है. So 18,000 we have paid. चेक से पेमेंट कर दिया. बैंक रिटर्न सुरेंद्र's check dishonored. Surender have given us a check. Where? Bank. Check here. Where is Surender's check? This is
6,600.
6,600 उसने चेक दिया था और हमने उस चेक को कहाँ जमा किया?
बैंक.
और बैंक वाले क्या बोल रहे हैं?
Dishonored.
Dishonored. पैसा नहीं आया. इसका मतलब पैसा नहीं आया. We can't keep this in our side.
Yes, sir.
We will
Cash.
remove it. So it is on Surender's check 25. So here we will write on the name of by Surender. By S-U-R-E-N-D-R-A Surender, and it is what? बैंक कॉलम we will write 6600 क्योंकि हमें बैंक से कॉलम को कम करना है, पैसे को कम करना है. Paid salary by check, it is what? 28. So it is by S-A-L-A-R-Y salary account, and how much it is? Your by bank that means 7200. 7200. Then after trade expenses, with this only it is your by TRADE expenses. How much it is? Cash 2,000. 2,000. It is not written bank here. Now we have cash sale receiving column 29. So it is to SALES sales account, and it is 2,900. Sorry, 2,500. Cash correction 9,500. 9,500, 9,500, and the last paid into the bank. Again, one more contract is here on 30th. Oh, we have less space in this. No problem. We will write on that side. So 30th, your payment in the bank by bank, your bank. So cash we will write. Paid into the bank. Bank में pay किया, contract बना दी, and here it is of your 10,000. And the same we will record here this side, that is of your 30 to your cash account, and we will pay it into the bank. We will receive this amount into the bank. How much it is? It is of your 10,000. It is clear?
Yes,
it is
sir.
clear. Now we will see here the cash column and bank column balance. Cash column and bank column balance we will see. Now we will see the total of this amount is 46,710. And the total of bank is 62,500. It is clear? And the total, these two total, I don't have a sufficient space, so we have written here. That is of your payment ka total, and this is of your payment the total. And we have subtracted it, so that both the subtraction we will have here the balance. I have drawn it. So you just imagine it. It is on the top of this. So here balance carried out for the cash is going to be, that is your 27,000. Correction 2,760. It is clear? And the next we are having here, that is of your 14,600. So it is of your 14,600. Once again, the total of this is of your receiving RECEIPTS. Receipts is this, and the payment PAYMENTS payments is this. So out of this amount, whatever the balance of this was coming, we have subtracted. So we have a balance amount in hand. And from the bank we have subtracted, so we have a balance in bank is your 14,600. It is clear?
Yes, sir.
Now you can note it down.